Welcome to Auto World for you. Today, we pit two electrifying SUVs against each other, the Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara, India's much-anticipated electric SUV, and the BYD Atto 3, the global EV powerhouse. Which one deserves your attention? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and these two SUVs deliver style in their own ways. Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara, sleek, aerodynamic design with a futuristic closed-off grille. Sharp LED DRLs stretching across the front for a high-tech look. Muscular wheel arches giving it a rugged stance. BYD Atto 3, a sporty, curvy exterior with a dynamic Dragon Face 3.0 grille. Blade-like LED headlights for a bold and aggressive appeal. Crossover styling with a sleek roofline and 18-inch alloy wheels. The e-Vitara is futuristic and minimalist, while the Atto 3 is sporty and aggressive. What's your pick? Now, let's talk about dimensions, because size matters when choosing an SUV. Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara comes in at 4,300 mm in length, 1,800 mm in width, 1,600 mm in height, a wheelbase of 2,700 mm, and an estimated boot space of 500 liters for all your storage needs. BYD Atto 3, on the other hand, is 4,455 mm long, giving it a bigger road presence, 1,875 mm wide, making it slightly roomier inside, 1,615 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,720 mm, but a slightly smaller boot space at 440 liters. So, the Atto 3 is bigger and wider, but the e-Vitara promises better space optimization. Size or efficiency, what's your priority? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's talk performance, because an electric SUV isn't just about going green, it's about thrilling power on the road. Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara will get a smaller 48.8 kWh unit and a larger 61.1 kWh unit, giving it a solid claimed range of 550 km. Front-wheel drive, FWD, for smooth and efficient power delivery. And while power around 138 brake horsepower. BYD Atto 3, 60.48 kWh BYD Blade battery, known for safety and durability. 521 km at a certified range. A bit less than the e-Vitara but still impressive. 201 brake horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, making it a true powerhouse. And with a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 7.3 seconds, it's clearly built for performance. The Atto 3 is a power-packed performer, but the e-Vitara might just surprise us with its efficiency. So, what drives you, speed or range? Drop your thoughts in the comments. It's shaping up to be a battle of high-tech features, with both the Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara and BYD Atto 3 bringing some serious competition to the table. Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara, the panoramic sunroof and dual-screen infotainment system will likely appeal to tech enthusiasts, offering both style and functionality. The ADAS safety features are definitely a strong point, especially in today's market where drivers are looking for more advanced safety tech. Plus, premium vegan leather interiors could make the e-Vitara a more environmentally conscious choice. BYD Atto 3, the rotating 12.8-inch infotainment screen is an eye-catching feature, offering versatility in its usage and better ergonomics. The PM2.5 filter and CN95 HEPA filter are great for ensuring clean air inside the car, a thoughtful feature, especially in urban environments. And with the 7-speaker Dirac sound system and 360-degree camera paired with adaptive cruise control, it's clear that BYD is all about adding luxury and safety. The e-Vitara promises next-gen Maruti tech, While the Atto 3 already offers a feature-loaded package, who wins this battle? Safety. The EVX seems to be aiming for a 5-star safety rating with solid features like 6 airbags and ADAS, plus a high-strength chassis for crash protection. The Atto 3, on the other hand, already has a proven 5-star Euro NCAP rating and takes it a step further with 7 airbags and ADAS Level 2. The BYD Blade battery adds another layer of safety, making it one of the safest batteries in the world. Pricing. The e-Vitara is expected to be a more budget-friendly option at 20 lakh rupees to 25 lakh rupees, offering the latest tech for a lower price. The Atto 3, priced at 33.99 lakh rupees, offers more premium features and safety but comes at a higher cost. So, what's your pick? Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara, longer range and lower cost, future-ready Maruti technology, perfect for budget-conscious EV buyers. BYD Atto 3. More power and faster acceleration, luxury features and proven safety, ideal for performance and premium buyers. Which EV is the right one for you? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Auto World for You. If you love thrilling car comparisons, hit like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more electrifying content. See you next time.